Alright, on this video I am going to introduce you to the improved window button bar and related features like window pinning. So let's start by creating a couple of windows like this. So the default mode for AntBible is similar to the earlier version, so that clicking window button bar buttons minimizes and restores windows. Like this. And it essentially means that all of the windows are pinned in this new window pinning mode. So let's now, I am now going to give you a view to what kind of workspaces and what kind of workflow I am using when I'm studying Bible. So let's set up window pinning mode first, like this. Now as you see, all of the windows are now pinned by default, so they again works like previously, no change at all. So to make some sense out of this, let's first of all let's set up a few windows, set up different translations for these windows. So let's take Finnish version here and ESV here. ESV unfortunately is not available currently, but it is here on my tablet. So and then let's create two more windows for commentaries. So let's set up here Gil, okay, next verse, and then TSK. Now I want normally to have, let's say, 1 to 2 windows of Bible. Pinned windows work great for Bibles, but for commentaries I like these unpinned windows. So let's take pin mode away from this and see how it works. So unpinned windows work like this, that I can have only one unpinned window open at one time. So if I click another unpinned window, it changes to that. So this could be typical workflow for me. I have, for example, 2 windows, Finnish and English, here open, and then I might have this commentary open or not. Let's say I am interested in this verse to get some insight from Gil. I'm opening it like this and going through whatever I want, and then switch to TSK and see some cross references. Okay, this is essentially the window pinning feature. Let's go to other features that we can now use. So as earlier, we can clone window from window button, new window. New window creates clone of this window. Now we have 2 windows that are the same. Let's say I want to go to explore some other Bible passages with this new window, so I can then remove synchronize mode. As you see, now the synchronize icon is removed from this window. I know that this window now is independent from others. So I can easily now go to other passages, let's say different chapters, different books, whatever. And this is now independent window. And when I'm done, I can either hide it or remove it completely. And this can be also like useful if this is not pinned window, rather it is unpinned window, so that I can, for example, have this passage here where I can go to check some like parallel text, for example, if we are reading Gospels. Links windows function a little different also these days. So let's open TSK to demonstrate it. When we click a link or tap a link, for example this one here, it opens it in a special links window as earlier, but it is now displayed on the end of the row as this way. It has this kind of special icon, link icon there. And links window can be hidden and restored like normal windows. And moreover, we can also nowadays change this links window to normal window. I mean, we kind of close when we do like this, now we have the same content as in the links window, but in a normal window. So again, if we go to TSK and click a link, we can again change to normal window, and we have these different verses now in these individual windows. Maximize mode has been changed a little bit, so we can again access maximize from window menu, and maximize is now simple. Like we have only this minimize or restore button here, so we can go to maximize mode, and maximize is non-distracted view to this only one window. As previously, we can also we can also double tap screen to get to full screen like this. So full screen removes all destructive elements from the view. So then also from one new feature is also that from application preferences we can find a feature that hides these window buttons here, because they are actually they are for new useful, because by single tap you can access window menu, which is important function of course. But you can access this window menu also by long tapping these window button bar buttons. So that's why these buttons are not really needed anymore. So we can hide them from application preferences, and then we can find hide window buttons feature, and then we go here and they are gone. So now we have less destructive elements on our view, and we can concentrate maybe better. So I think that wraps it up for this window button bar features. I hope you like these features, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.